Hello, so this is the tutorial video on how to assemble this pinky prosthesis available on Colts 3D. So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video, subscribe, and let's go! So if you're going to assemble this prosthetic finger, you're gonna need some glue and pliers. So this is the hand mount. So you need to grab this part first, and this is the mount plate. This one will go here, so you need to grab the lock plate for this mount plate here. So you need to attach this part in this cavity right here. Okay, so if you're doing this, you can actually add the super glue right here, so to make the bond permanent, but in this tutorial I don't think I'll be needing the glue, so I'm just gonna show you how to fit this here. There you go. So once it's in there, you can fit this here in the hand mount. And to make this stick together, you need to apply the glue. So to make just for the sake of this tutorial, I think, let's say if we need glue, I think we need glue. Okay, so let's drop some glue in here, just a little bit of glue in the hand mount. Okay, then you need to attach the mount plate. Okay, done. Now the next thing you're gonna need is this little piece right here. It's called the left side of the hand mount plate. Okay, so you're gonna need to put this lock plate in here, in this cavity here. So let's slide it right there. Okay, so if you want, you can apply also glue in here to make the bond permanent. So let's apply glue. And this one should go here. Okay, you're gonna need this part here. It's called the long lever. So the way you attach this is you need to see this curve. It should be curving downwards. Okay, and the one that has the bigger hole or circle here should go here. Okay, so the smaller one is here, and the big one is over here, and it should be curving downwards. Okay, so let's put this here, and then you should apply the glue in this part, in the lock, before you can attach this part. Okay, but in my case, I think we can just attach this without the glue. Let's see. So okay, so it should be looking like this. Should look like this. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you need to grab this part. It's called the tip. There's a left side and the right side of the tip. Okay, and then you need to grab this lock plate for the tip. So you need to slide this here. There you go. So it should sit perfectly right in the gap. So this time you're gonna need the other part of the tip, and you should put this here. But before you do that, you're gonna need the small lever. So this one, you should orientate this one so that the other one is elevated. You can see this. So the other one should be positioned upwards, and the other one should be downward, not this way, not the other way around. Okay, so the right side should be elevated up, and then the other one is lowered. So you need to put this here in this socket right here, and just like that. Okay, now you need to put the other part of the tip. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you need to grab this part, and attach this one here, right here. Okay, should go in here like that. Make sure that the lever is positioned in the center. Okay, now you need to grab the tip assembly, and you should put this right here. Like that. Okay, then the next part is this is the middle segment of the finger. So you need to position this part, the one that has this protrusion here, into the back. So it's gonna go here, and then the other one should go into this tip. Okay, and then this long lever should go into this tiny protrusion right here. Okay, okay, so to cover this up, we're gonna need the other part, this one. Okay, so let's grab the lock plate and position it in this cavity right here. Okay, then the other part, let's put this here. Okay, now the other one, this is the left side of the mid section. Now you need to put the lock plate in the space right here. Okay, so let's put this back here. And let's cover this up. Okay. Now for the last part, this is the ring that goes to your ring finger. If you're using this as a pinky prosthesis, so this one should act as your pinky. So there should be 4 options here. So you need to measure the distance from this prosthesis and your ring finger. So you need to fit any of this and find the right one that fits with your hand. So in this case, let's just use this one. Okay, so this ring should go here. So again, you need to apply glue for this. Okay, let's just put this here. Okay, so now the prosthesis is complete. So you might wanna add some lubrications in some parts of this prosthesis if you think there's some resistance when you're moving the prosthesis. But as time goes by, while you're using this, it will loosen up a bit. Okay. So that's it. We've now completed the pinky prosthesis. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like and notification button. Until next time, goodbye.